A new robot has been developed that could replace millions of jobs worldwide, sooner than many experts anticipated. Its speed, precision, and adaptability are changing the way industries operate. In this video, we will explore how this technology works, which jobs are at risk, and what it means for the future of work. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on cutting-edge innovations. By the end of this video, you will understand the scale of this transformation and how to prepare for the changes ahead. 1. The rise of intelligent automation. Automation is no longer limited to simple tasks. Awareness of advancements in robotics and AI shows why industries are rapidly adopting these systems. Observation of early prototypes demonstrates efficiency and accuracy that surpass human capability. Knowledge of machine learning integration highlights adaptability and continuous improvement. Conceptually, intelligent automation transforms traditional workflows. Understanding its rise allows viewers to grasp why so many jobs are at risk. Awareness of industrial adoption emphasizes the speed of change. Observation of successful deployments confirms reliability and performance. Knowledge of technological innovation reinforces its potential impact. Conceptually, this is a shift that affects every sector of the economy. 2. How the robot works. This robot combines advanced AI, mechanical precision, and autonomous decision-making. Awareness of its components shows why it can perform complex tasks. Observation of real-time operations highlights speed and efficiency. Knowledge of integrated sensors and learning algorithms emphasizes adaptability. Conceptually, the system mimics human decision-making while exceeding human capabilities. Understanding its operation allows viewers to see why it could replace certain job roles. Awareness of autonomous problem-solving demonstrates technological sophistication. Observation of precision and reliability reinforces its effectiveness. 3. Industries most at risk. Certain sectors face higher exposure to automation. Awareness of industries like manufacturing, logistics, retail, and customer service shows where disruption is most likely. Observation of early adoption patterns demonstrates the potential speed of transformation. Knowledge of repetitive and predictable tasks highlights vulnerability. Conceptually, jobs involving routine, manual, or rule-based work are most at risk. Understanding industry trends allows viewers to anticipate potential challenges. Awareness of economic and operational incentives explains why companies adopt automation. Observation of pilot programs confirms feasibility. 4. The jobs that could be replaced. Millions of roles could be automated, including assembly line workers, data entry clerks, and warehouse staff. Awareness of these examples shows the scope of potential displacement. Observation of robot performance demonstrates speed, consistency, and precision. Knowledge of repetitive task efficiency explains why employers may prefer automation. Conceptually, human roles are being redefined rather than eliminated entirely. Understanding affected jobs allows viewers to consider reskilling opportunities. Awareness of automation trends reinforces urgency for workforce adaptation. Observation of success metrics confirms impact on productivity. 5. The benefits of automation. Automation increases efficiency, reduces errors, and can lower operational costs. Awareness of these advantages explains why companies invest heavily in robotics. Observation of improved production and accuracy shows practical benefits. Knowledge of time saving and consistency highlights economic incentives. Conceptually, automation is not inherently negative. It can complement human work. Understanding benefits allows viewers to see why adoption is accelerating. Awareness of improved safety and reduced physical strain emphasizes positive outcomes. Observation of measurable results reinforces effectiveness. Knowledge of enhanced workflow demonstrates real-world value. Conceptually, automation offers opportunities alongside challenges. 6. The challenges and risks. Despite advantages, automation introduces risks such as job displacement and economic inequality. Awareness of these challenges shows the need for careful planning. Observation of workforce transitions highlights social and ethical implications. Knowledge of unemployment risks emphasizes the importance of reskilling programs. Conceptually, technological progress must be balanced with human welfare. Understanding these risks allows viewers to consider proactive solutions. Awareness of societal impact encourages dialogue and policy planning. 7. Preparing for the future. Individuals and businesses must adapt to automation. Awareness of reskilling, upskilling, and continuous learning shows strategies to remain relevant. Observation of training programs and initiatives demonstrates practical solutions. Knowledge of emerging skill requirements highlights areas for investment in education. Conceptually, adapting proactively reduces negative impacts. Understanding preparation steps allows viewers to take control of their future. Awareness of career transitions emphasizes flexibility and resilience. Observation of success stories shows that adaptation is possible. Knowledge of strategic planning reinforces importance. Conceptually, preparation ensures automation benefits are maximized while risks are minimized. 8. Ethical considerations. Automation raises questions about fairness, responsibility, and societal impact. Awareness of ethical debates highlights challenges beyond technical implementation. Observation of discussions on privacy, accountability, and human oversight shows broader concerns. Knowledge of ethical frameworks emphasizes responsible deployment. Conceptually, technology must align with human values. Understanding ethics allows viewers to appreciate complex decision-making. Awareness of transparency and governance reinforces trust in automation. Observation of policy development confirms proactive measures. Knowledge of ethical standards guides sustainable innovation. Conceptually, ethical deployment ensures technology serves society positively. 9. Long-term implications. The widespread adoption of automation could reshape economies, industries, and lifestyles. Awareness of macroeconomic and labor market trends shows potential impacts. Observation of productivity gains and industry shifts demonstrates transformative effects. Knowledge of societal adaptation emphasizes proactive planning. Conceptually, automation is more than a technical advancement, it is a social revolution. Understanding implications allows viewers to anticipate future challenges. Awareness of new opportunities and industries highlights potential benefits. 10. Embracing the change. While automation presents risks, it also offers opportunity. Awareness of innovation, efficiency, and new industries highlights positive aspects. Observation of companies successfully integrating robots demonstrates practical adaptation. Knowledge of reskilling, education, and creativity reinforces human value. Conceptually, embracing change allows society to thrive alongside automation. Understanding adaptation strategies empowers viewers to navigate the evolving landscape. Awareness of technological progress encourages curiosity and optimism. Observation of successful human-robot collaboration confirms potential synergy. His robot shows that technology can transform industries faster than we expect. Awareness of its potential impact emphasizes both opportunity and responsibility. Share this video with friends to spark discussion about the future of work. Comment below which job you think will be most affected. Press the like button if this story surprised you. Subscribe for more updates on technological innovations. Stay adaptable, stay informed, and embrace the future of work.